We're going to start with our straight suction nozzle system. It's very simple to use, designed for hard surfaces, low-pile carpeting with a minimal amount of traffic. This system cleans with air movement. The bristles come out when you do all your hard surfaces, and then they get inverted when you go over to your low-pile carpeting. And remember, this is just cleaning with air movement, otherwise known as pure suction. Let me show you how it works. I'll start on the hard surfaces. As you can see, I'll hit the foot switch and the bristles will come out to protect any of the surfaces I'm vacuuming. And then, as I go over to our commercial grade carpet, I simply hit the switch again, the bristles get inverted, and I can glide over either a commercial grade carpet or a traditional low pile carpet. And because this system is cleaning with just suction, it's the most gentle way to clean, making it perfect for any of those expensive, delicate carpets you may have in your home.